We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we've just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with everyone, whether they are new or returning. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.